communicate. We have a technical problem. We have to stop one engine. We have to level off, and please send us over to a place where we can dump fuel.
Roger, level off, level 290. I call you back.
Hello everyone, it's Captain Scott here once again, and today we're going to be talking about what happens when an engine fails in flight. Is this your biggest worry when you hop on a plane to fly somewhere? How likely is it going to happen? Here's a quick explanation to help you understand what's actually happening behind the cockpit door when an engine does fail in midair. Before we dive into what happens when an engine fails, first we have to understand how does a plane fly. The main equipment that creates lift and allow the plane to get up in the air is actually not the engine, it's the wings. However, the wing alone in a stationary state is unable to create lift by itself. The wings need to have a forward motion to be able to create a pressure differential between the top and the bottom, thereby creating lift. This is where the engine comes in. The fundamental operation of a plane's engine is actually pretty simple. It draws air from the front, accelerates it, and pushes it out the back. And according to Newton's third law, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So the action of the engine pushing the air to the back propels the plane forward, thereby giving the wings its forward motion to create lift. Now when an engine fails in flight, the engine will stop pushing the plane forward. But the plane doesn't stop going. The plane can still continue moving forward with its momentum and gravity. When the plane tilts slightly downwards to descend, we call this a glide. With a single engine aeroplane, the plane can actually glide for a considerable amount of distance, giving it time to look for a field or airport to land on. But with modern jet airliners that we usually take to travel, it's got two engines, one on each wing. So in an unlikely event of an engine failure, for whatever reason, the aeroplane is designed to still be able to fly with just one engine, but of course with some limitations in terms of performance. This will give the pilots substantial time to find a suitable airport to land on. But what about if all engines fail, you may ask? Well, number one, with the reliability of modern jet engines, it's very unlikely. And number two, if it does happen, as I mentioned earlier, the plane will still be able to glide, look for options, only with relatively less time to make a decision. So, now that you have a better understanding of what actually happens, did it change your perception about engine failures in midair? Or do you have any more doubts or questions? I'd like to hear about it in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to learn anything and everything aviation. Till then, stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.